Ever wonder how your streaming service just knows what you love? Yep, that's machine learning.
Right, it's everywhere from self-driving cars to medicine. But how does a machine actually learn? It really boils down to two main ways of thinking. Let's jump in.
Okay, so think of it this way. One is learning with an answer key. The other is finding patterns on its own.
All right, let's start with part 1, supervised learning. This is where we give the machine all the answers.
It starts with linear regression, basically just finding the single best line to predict things.
But what if you just need a yes or no? That's where logistic regression comes in.
So, how does it get better? The secret is this engine that runs behind almost everything.
It's like walking down a mountain of errors, taking tiny steps until you hit the bottom.
This simple idea leads to some incredibly powerful models. Think wisdom of the crowds.
So you have models that act like flowcharts, and others that use teamwork for amazing accuracy.
Okay, but what happens when you don't have an answer key? Welcome to unsupervised learning. The first big idea here is clustering, basically letting the data group itself together naturally.
And check this out. Different algorithms are built to find totally different kinds of patterns.
This is like summarizing a huge book into a few key sentences. It keeps what's important. So, a model is great, but it's useless if you can't actually use it in the real world.
This is where MLOps comes in. It's a pipeline that makes the whole process repeatable and reliable. In a feature store, it's brilliant. It ensures everyone on the team is using the exact same data. So that was a quick tour of machine learning all the way from theory to production.
This entire journey is broken down into 18 super focused lessons to guide you through.
You'll master 2 complete workflows, one for supervised and one for unsupervised learning.
You'll master core techniques, build real pipelines, and get certified to prove your skills.
So, yeah, the machines are definitely learning. The only real question is, are you?